Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing immediate, simple actions that show care. Once chosen, do one now. Call or bring her favorite drink. Don't postpone. Explain briefly why you're checking in. She needs clarity and warmth. Make sure to listen more than speak. Ask one open question and wait. These small steps build trust quickly, so repeat them for several days in a row. By acting today, you create momentum, and you'll already be moving toward making your mother happier. You now expand to a reliable routine that fits both schedules. Once done, schedule short, meaningful touchpoints, a 15-minute call, a weekly visit, or help with one household chore. Make sure to vary activities, rotate conversation topics, walk together, or cook a meal so she feels engaged. Explain why consistency matters. Predictability reduces stress and increases comfort. Ask for feedback and adapt the plan, small. You wrap up each interaction by confirming a next step. Set a call time or agree on a visit. Once done, express genuine appreciation, thank her for sharing, praise a choice she made, and note improvements. This reinforces positive feelings and closes the loop. If things go wrong, if she resists or withdraws, stop pushing, scale back to shorter contacts, and ask directly what would feel helpful, then follow that request. Consistent follow-up turns kind actions into sustained happiness.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.